Welcome to the all-new OpenEMM, Agnitis's free-to-use enterprise application. OpenEMM is the perfect software for anyone who performs professional email marketing at no costs with a maximum security of in-house operation. With OpenEMM, you always have a clear overview of your marketing results with numerous real-time statistics. You are always well prepared and retain control over all your campaigns at any time. And you are never left confused thanks to the interactive manual and numerous video tutorials. OpenEMM allows you to never lose track of who you're contacting. Define your target groups in great detail. OpenEMM comes with a powerful campaign manager that allows you to run creative and complex campaigns to easily increase your success. Individualize and freely design your newsletter as you wish. Free templates support you during the creation. Agnitis's OpenEMM will always be free of charge, no matter how many recipients you store, user accounts you create, or newsletters you send, while providing all the options you need to meet any data protection requirement, of course. Interested? Visit us at openemm.org or use the web forum at forum.openemm.org.